Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? All right guys, I'm gonna show you guys a little about container garden. Container garden, you can basically plant almost anything in container. The main goal is the container have to be big enough for the plant. So what you need to know the size of the root of the plant, and that will give you an idea of the size of the container you need. So if you're doing small root plants, then you could have small containers, but when you're doing big plants, you definitely need big containers. All right, you see, I like this is a lemongrass, but what I did, I have a big container for that. This is an avocado plant right here. This is an avocado plant I'm growing in a bucket, but I do know that this is gonna need transplant. So next spring I'm gonna put this in a big container. We have turmeric growing here in this container, and we also have a nice butternut squash growing there as well. So basically guys, you could at least grow at least anything in container. These are my palm start growing up here. This is it right here. Set some palm seed and it start grow up. So all these things you can plant them in container, but some things you will have to transplant into bigger containers, like these are basils. These are pineapple basils, these two here. This could be in pots like this because the roots does not get that big. But when you're talking about turmeric, ginger, avocado, and other big plants, you definitely gonna need bigger containers. So these are some herbs. These are pineapple mint. I mean, the weather is changing now, so they look as green as how they used to. But I'm still grateful. I'm still able to come out and pick some fresh herbs from them still. Even though we in October, I'm still able to come outside and grab some fresh herbs from them. So when we come over here now, we have yam growing in this container. But if you notice, this container is very big because you want to make sure that there's enough room for the yam to grow. Because if the container is big, then you could get bigger yams from out the container. Lemongrass also grow big root. So you definitely will need to have a big container. That's why I put it in this. So if you're in a place where you're dealing with the winter, you could take this indoor and bring it back out in the spring. Just like these avocados.